Hello there everybody. As you remember, a few weeks ago I got these beautiful floor mat liners. These are Lasfit all-weather TPE floor mats and cargo mat. They've been custom fit for 2019 to 2025 Toyota RAV4, the gas model. Some of the things you need to know about these beautiful pieces are that they are 3D scanned, custom molds, and vehicle tested. They are all-weather protection, made to fit specifically for the gas model. They can withstand extreme temperatures, snow, mud, sand, salt, water, and so much more. They got this anti-slip design to give you that stability while you're driving. This protects you from tripping because you'll be tripping out here. They have been stylishly customized to match your car interior. They're perfect for a safe drive all the way home or to work. Y'all know where you're going. They got spill protection because of the deep grooves. They have optimal spacing to prevent debris buildup. Unique visual design for interior styles. Fit perfectly into your car like it was custom made for it. Very easy to clean and no hidden gunk. Eco-friendly, recyclable, scratch resistant. I could go on and on talking about everything good about these floor mats. 100% TPE material, non-toxic, making it safe for both kids and pets. You get 97% on-time delivery, positive feedback, and chat satisfaction as their customer care team is always available to chat and willing to assist. In this economy where customer service is not really that top tier, I'd go with these people. I got mine off a TikTok shop. They have massive sales going on right now. Take advantage of the sales because Lasfit will be here forever, but the sales won't last forever. Thank you so much, Lasfit, for making these amazing products and hope to work with you more in the future. Bye.